Welcome back, I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. This F10 has the stock sound system, which is okay, but when it comes to your BMW, you don't want okay, so BimmerTech is here to help. We'll be installing our premium audio amplifier in the trunk of this F10, which will help you get the most out of your stock sound system, but it's even better when paired with an Alpha 1 speaker system. But we're gonna be installing the amp in this trunk, so this is your step-by-step guide on how to install our premium audio amplifier in your F10. Let's get going with the installation. We'll get to the installation in 1 second, but what makes our amp different? It's tuned to your ears and your car. How does this happen? Let's learn. So how does this custom tune set work? Well, to dispel any myths, we take care of all the tech stuff, but we do need to know a few things about you and your personal preferences. First things first, we need to know the VIN of your vehicle. This is going to give us access to vital information such as your chassis code and your stock sound system. We need this because we need to know how far away you are from the speakers and how sound moves throughout your vehicle, because each tune that we offer is for a very specific vehicle. Once you add your amp to your cart, you're going to fill out a short form that's going to ask you about your musical preferences, such as what type of music you listen to and at what levels, and things like your treble and bass preferences. Then after that, you're done. You click customize and literally that's it. You don't need to download any tuning software or do any customization on your own. Your amp is going to come delivered to you, preloaded, specific for your chassis and your musical preferences. Here are the tools you need for the job. BimmerTech trim tools, a ratchet with extension, a 10mm and 8mm socket, and a T40 Torx bit. You can get all of these and much more in our BimmerTech DIY Essentials Kit. Click the link in the description to get yours today. We need to first disconnect the battery. Start by opening the trunk and lifting the front section of the floor panel to expose 2 plastic 10mm nuts that you need to remove. Once removed, you can lift the floor panel out. With a 10mm socket, disconnect the negative battery terminal and tuck it out of the way. Now we need to remove this rear panel so we could later remove the side panel. There are 4 plastic pins holding it down. Remove the pins by pulling the top section out with your BimmerTech trim tool, and that will free up the bottom half. You'll want to pull up this weather stripping to free up the panel. Once free, pull it out. This car features a 12-volt plug, but this was at one point disconnected. To unplug it, simply pull the connector out. We went ahead and plugged it back in for our customer later. Now we need to remove the side panel. Start by lowering the back seat. You will need to remove 5 pins and 1 T40 Torx bolt. You might want to pull up on this last bit of weather stripping to free up the panel. Once everything is removed, wiggle the panel out and set it aside. To get the factory amp under here, we need to pull the foam cable guide up and set it aside. Then remove the 1 pin holding the plastic cover in place, and you can pull it out. Now we need to remove the factory amp. This car has a rear view camera module, so to make things easier, we'll disconnect it now. For the factory amp bracket, there are 2 10mm bolts here and 2 10mm nuts here. Remove them with your ratchet. With the bracket free, you can begin removing it by pulling up. This will also give you more room to disconnect the amp harness. Press down on the center tab and rotate the arm. Now completely remove the bracket. Now it's time to prep the BimmerTech bracket for installation. With an 8mm socket, remove the 2 nuts holding the rear view camera module to the factory bracket. Once free, place it on the BimmerTech bracket like so. Use the supplied bolts paired with the original factory nuts to secure it in place. Finish the prep work by plugging in the BimmerTech harness to the amp. It's time for the installation. Make sure to plug in your USB cable, which will be used for any future tuning purposes. After that, line the bracket up with the studs on the floor. You may have to slide over the wiring harnesses if they get in the way. Using the 10mm nuts you removed before, secure the amp bracket to the car. Finally, connect the factory BMW harness to the BimmerTech harness. Start with the arm all the way forward, then rotate it 90 degrees. You will feel it pull itself into place. After that, plug in the 2 rear-view camera module connectors and you're done. Reinstall all the trim you took out before. Start with the plastic cover and its pin, and the foam cable guide. Next, the side panel with the 5 pins and T40 bolt. Make sure the USB cable is accessible in the event you ever need to digitally access the amp in the future. Continue with the rear trim with the 4 pins and 12-volt connector. Don't forget the weather stripping. Reconnect the battery. And reinstall the floor panel, and you're done. As you can see, the installation is super simple and the results are amazing. Here is a before and after of a track being played in the car. Keep in mind this is just recorded from the camera mic, so the clarity won't be lifelike, but you can hear the difference. So guys, that is how you install our premium audio amplifier in an F10. As you can see, the installation is super straightforward, it is simple, and in just a few minutes, you will transform the audio of your BMW into the best it can be, and it's even better with an Alpha 1 speaker system, which you can find over on our website. Enter your VIN so you can get the appropriate kit for your car and get the audio in your BMW sounding amazing. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the future install videos, highlights, product overviews, and more. And don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss those videos. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.